Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a new subscription box to my channel. And that is this box right here. This is the journal junk box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is the journal junk box. I'm not sure what month it is. We'll see when we open it up. They did get a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their subscription box. And I actually love journaling, scrapbooking, anything like that. And so this looks like a super fun box. So I said, yes, I would love to show you guys because I think this is something that a lot of you guys might like. I think I would actually love, especially like I said, loving journaling, scrapbooking, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and learn a little bit about the company first. That's what I like to do when I first bring a box to my channel, so we can kind of get a feel of what to expect when we do open the box. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up on here. I have them pulled up. The journal junk box, a motivational box for journal lovers and boss babes. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you will adore. Love to decorate your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? I do. Want that positive push to finish your goals and be the best version of you? You'll love this box. So it shows that we source the best markers and brands to provide you with the best journals, pens, amazing office supplies, and so much more to adore. How it works. The journal junk box was created so you can hashtag work, play, create more and do it your way. Our surprise full-size monthly boxes have 8 to 10 items and ship on or near the 28th of every month. 8 to 10 items are going to be in here. That's nice. Order as soon as possible to receive the current month's box. We accept new subscribers between the 1st and the 15th of every month or until we sell out. Subscribers that come in after we sell out will receive the following month's box. So if this particular box is already sold out and you sign up, then you'll just get the next month's box. If this is still available, then you would receive this box. Packages arrive to the addresses around the 3rd and the 5th of each month. Says, hey babe, are you a journal lover or planner babe who loves to create and organize? A pen or office supply fanatic? A boss babe who loves motivation and cute office things to jazz up the office space? A positive woman who just wants to treat herself at least once a month? Oh girl, I just knew that was you and we've totally got your back. If you answered yes to any of those questions, the journal junk box was created with you in mind. So let's go ahead and see. It says options starting as low as $39.95 with $100 or more value. Ooh, there's a box right here that looks really nice. So it's like one of the past boxes, which I'm sure I'll be showing you on one of these sides. I think it's that one. So let's go ahead and get all of the pricing and then we'll get into this box. I'm so excited. So it says options starting as low as $39.95. So let's see what they are here. Okay, so it looks like it says Sparkle Journal Junk Box monthly subscription. It says that one is $44 a month if you just do month to month. So the cheaper it goes, the more months you prepay for. It does say at this time, we do not ship outside of the US or Hawaii, Alaska, Virgin Airlines, PO boxes, or APO addresses. All orders processed with these locations would be canceled. So right now it's just standard US mailing only for where they ship them to the addresses. So then if you want to do a 6-month subscription, it would bring it from $44 down to $42.95. And if you want to go with the whole 12 months, that's where you will get the best price of $33.95 per box. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in here. I'm super excited. The box though is extremely cute. It's totally full with a lot of cute girly girl things that we all love. I definitely see my coffee on there. There's journaling, there's pins, there's bows, there's some sparkle. This box is just super cute. Both sides do say the journal junk box and the bottom is solid pink. It did come in a mailer bag that I removed and this was down inside. These little bows actually have paper clips on them. This is so cute. This is gonna be so much fun. So So when you first open it up, ooh, that's what it looks like right down inside. So you do have these two little cards. The journal junk box is on this card, and it says thank you for your support, and you can follow them on their social media platforms, which I will link everything down below. Oh, and this is July. Okay, good. It's called Purple Passion. This is the July box. So again, if you do sign up and this one is no longer available, then you will reserve your seat for the August monthly box. Super exciting. So it does go over some items on the back and basically what is going to be in here. Super cool. So this is July, and it has the purple tissue, which definitely matches with that. So it looks like they probably like switch that with the theme every month. Again, I don't know. This is new to me. I don't know about this box, but we're going to find out right now together. So when you first open up the tissue paper, that's what the presentation looks like down inside. Ooh, and I see some things are even bagged like in little bags too. Super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and start and see what's going to be in here. Let's start with the first thing that I already touched, and that is down in this purple bag. How pretty. So you do have like this pretty design that's on this one. It looks like there's like purple flowers. And then here is a smaller one that does have a little bit of like a goldish design to it as well. I'll try to get a better photo of that so you can see the detail in it. But those are super, super pretty. And I like that there's two different sizes. So you have the thin little one, and then you have like the standard size. That is really cute. And yeah, just says washi tape, paper house. This is a shower steamer, and it's lavender. Womp womp. So good thing I can't smell it. I will pass this down to one of you guys. You know me and lavender scents. I'm not gonna get a headache. But I do love that this is a shower steamer. Not everybody gets into bathtubs. I know my chunky Dunkin' ass ain't getting in a bathtub. So I love shower steamers. And if they do send bath bombs, I tend to use them like as a foot soak, or I try to plop them in my shower as a shower steamer. So I like that this box gave you a shower steamer. It does say non-GMO for nourishing and relaxation. And it's a lavender scented heart-shaped shower steamer, and that's a good size. It's a big, thick, tall. It's like a tall size one. So that is really neat. So then now we have this. Ooh, and yes, everything is like all in the purples. I love that they're going all with the same color scheme. This is really neat. Like, we can all use these, especially on any desk. I have a desk in this room. I have a desk in that room. I have a desk in my office. So I definitely have a desk that these can go on for sure. And I like the fact that there's different things in there. You have the paper clips, you have the push pins, and then you have these little clips, which I absolutely love. And they're in a little organized plastic container. You can leave it on your desk, slip it in your drawer, whichever. I really do like that. That is so neat. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. And look at this bag, is even really cute. It has butterflies on it. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Just to put these in there. You know, they could have just tossed them in the box, but no, they actually stick them in bags. How cute. These are earrings. What? These are a little set of earrings, and they look like they're kind of like on a leather, and they have like all those different colors painted on them. My ears are super, super, super sensitive. If you guys follow me, you know. So I don't want to risk getting infected, but I can at least show you that's how long they would dangle. And I will save these for one of you guys to enjoy as well, but those are super cute. I like all the different colors. It can go with so many different things. You have teals, purples, blues, blacks, pinks, mauves. You have like every color in there. So they're bound to match to anything. That is really neat. And I love the bag that it came in. I love the butterflies, but you guys, I'm just going to put it right back in the package. And this whole little set right here will go to one of you guys. Sharing is caring, and I love sharing with you guys. So there's that. Let's keep on going. Ooh, and here's some purple pins. Everything's purple. I wonder if they're gonna do a teal one soon where everything's teal, because that's definitely one that I would love to get my hands on. I love my teals and blues. These are really, really nice. And the first thing that I do want to point out is I'm feeling of quality in my hands right now. It's not like if you go to the dollar store and you grab their pins that feel very super cheap, and they just feel cheap and you can tell. These actually have a lot of good weight to them. Let me remove all the plastic so we can see them. They're so much prettier. Here's this one with like this little disco ball on top, and it's just all like these little rhinestones, and they're in this purple color. Super, super cute. Do you push it or twist it? Is it a twist? Bop, pull it, twist it. You twist it. Trying to figure it out. Bop it, pull pull it. Can we do something over here? You twist it down, and that's just super pretty. This would definitely look really, really cute on your desk and using it. Again, it does feel like some really good quality. This one is super cute as well. You have like all of these little ones inside of the actual pin, and then it has like this little diamond right on top. Super pretty. So it's not just a little normal diamond pin like you see everywhere. It's colored, it matches, and it has all these little things in here as well. And this one, you twist it. You twist it to get the ink out. So cool. And then the last one of those is this guy. And this does have the top part, which you can use for your screens, your devices, your cell phones, your tablets. You can use that end. And I wonder, nope, you don't even do that. You twist this one too? Yes, you do. You twist it, and it has the same little things like that match. Woo, calm down. I'm so excited. It has like almost the same little things inside that match. So I really like the set of pins. Again, they do feel like a really good quality, and they're super, super cute. And I like that they all match. And they all go with the color scheme. That is so neat. And again, they came in their own little bag. Ooh, it says, "This is us weekly kit stickers." It says, "You're more than what you do." Yes, we all are. "You're killing it. You got this. Start before you're ready." That's some good advice. Always start before you're ready. Don't wait until you are ready to do it. Just do it. That is so neat. I love those colors too. Look at all the colors. Let me remove this so we can see them out of the package. It says that there is 89 pieces. Are these all the same? When you know, they're not even the same. That is so neat. So here's the first, I'm gonna go sideways so you can get a full screen of it. So here's the first page. Here is the second page. And I love these colors. The blues, the teals, the purples, the pinks, all of those colors together are just so pretty. And so you have like these smaller line ones that you can use for anything. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Look at all of the shine. I love stickers, you guys. It's the simple things in life. It's the simple things, let me tell you. Look at how pretty. Okay, there's there one more page, or did I just get, that was the last page, you guys. But those are so neat, and I love that they're all different, and I love those color schemes, and it matches with everything else. Of course it does. So now we have is a coloring pencil pocket. Coloring pencil pocket, the perfect accessory to coloring on the go. Okay, so whatever book you're using, it could be like a journal book or like a standard book, you can take this because it's adjustable, and you just open it up and you can slide it right over your book. So if you are on the go, or you're in a car ride or something like that, or if you just want to keep it with it, so whenever you want to doodle, jot anything down, it's attached to that book. That is really neat. So there is a book in here. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on here to show you, and then we'll look at this. But so this right here you go. So then see, you can just have it on there, and you can adjust it all the way down so it can go to a way bigger or larger book or folder. But then you have it just sitting there on there. You can open and close it. And I bet you if you wanted to make it even a little bit smaller, you can probably go a little bit if you want to just attach it to like the front or the back cover only, and not over the whole entire thing. So then you can open it and close it without having to remove it. I like that option too. So then you can just toss in a few, even if you were doing your schoolwork and you wanted to toss in your highlighters and pens and pencils in here, you can do that as well, and then it's always attached. I've never seen that before, but that's super neat. Coloring pencil pocket. My packet. So let me add it back to the card just for now. That is really neat. I really like that. So there's that guy. So then let's go over the book that I just pulled out. It says, "Do what you love." Yes. Always do what you love, you guys. It says Epcot made in Canada on the back of it. And let's get this open so we can see, and probably, I'm sure it's probably just all lined paper inside, but let's look at it. This is so pretty. I'm really impressed so far with this box, you guys. Okay, so now that the plastic is removed, and I love all these colors. Yes, it says, "Where have I seen you before? I've been your cereal box, tea package, milk carton, newspaper, junk mail, disregarded novels, pizza boxes, and magazines. Wow. I have found a new path as a 100% recycled sheet. Gleaming white and fresh, ready to be used once again. Thanks for giving me new life. That is so neat. So all of that recycled paper made this journal. So you get to use it all over again in a different purpose. That's really neat. But the rest of it is just all the lines. So you can write down whatever you would like, journal, put your notes, do whichever you would like inside of this. And that's really cool. So then there is one more item in here. Yes, this would be the last item. And it says hand painted note card, 50 sheets. Let me remove the plastic. Denise, I'm gonna need your opinion on this because I think you're gonna love this box. Here is what it looks like out of the package. Super, super pretty. I love just the simple little purple flowers at both corners. That is so neat. Is that like the whole thing? Yep. Through the whole notepad, that is what you have. So that is everything that came in this July box, you guys. Going over a quick recap, you have this notepad of paper. You have this journal book. You have this neat little pencil or highlighter, marker, pocket pouch to attach to any book. You can even attach it to a book, a folder, or anything like that. I love these stickers and they're all different in the pages. We have a really cute pair of earrings that will match with anything. You have a shower steamer, which I think that's amazing that it's a shower steamer and not a bubble, a bath bomb. Then you have the washi tape, which is super pretty. And I like that there's 2 different sizes. You have 3 different decorative, really nice pins. You have this set of 3 different types of desk necessities that you need from time to time, and they have you covered. And that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? What do you think of this type of box? I'm actually loving it because, again, I've been into scrapbooking and journaling for so long. Even though I don't have as much time these days to be doing what I would love to be doing, I'm still collecting them. I still have a big old spot in my closet filled with all kinds of stickers and scissors and paper and books and everything, and I love it. I mean, I'll keep collecting. I love this stuff. So again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about this type of box and what you think about the pricing and all of that. Definitely comment down below and let me know. I greatly do appreciate them sending this box to me to show you guys. Again, I really do love this stuff and I love collecting it myself. So I thought this would be the perfect box to bring to you guys to show you because you might love it just as much as I do. So that is everything for this particular box. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.